Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.2.42 Input Kick component accumulated height in cell T56. Accumulated height is the 4th dimension you are prompted to enter. In the regular use of the dimension buttons on the elevation sheet, when you click a button, you are prompted to enter all 5 dimensions numbers. The example instructions enters the 5 dimensions separately. All example instructions that begin with input are macros that switch to the project dimension sheet and place the cursor in the cell in which the entry is to be made. Exit the macro after reading the message by clicking the OK button. Enter the amount specified by the macro. Accumulated height is the sum of all components below and including the component or feature currently being entered. Section height discussed previously refers only to the component or feature currently being entered. In cell T56, enter the kick accumulated height dimension 5 inches. The kick accumulated height is the same as the kick height of section because it is the first item in the accumulated height total. After entering kick height accumulated, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 1.2.42 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.2.43.